We will be announcing first or awarding the fourth runner-up.
Presenters, please, ready.
Maginoo, fourth runner-up. Maginoo, fourth runner-up goes to candidate number 4, Mr. Arvin Yabut.
Congratulations. And now, the Mutia for the runner-up. She is candidate number 1, Miss Charmaine Guadalupe.
We would like to request Mr. Reynan Cruz to award the certificate of scholarship to our winners.
The fourth runner-up, Mr. Reynan.
The fourth runner-up, Mr. Arvin Yabut and
Charmaine Guadalupe.
Ms. Charmaine Guadalupe. Sir Reynan, ito po yung fourth runner-up natin. After giving the fourth runner-up certificate, akit na po kayo sa taas. So third runners-up. Third runners-up for Maginoo goes to candidate number 7, Mr. Arvin Galang.
And now, alright, congratulations. Mr. Arvin Galang. To the Mutia, third runner-up. Candidate number 8, Jobella Victoria.
Second runners-up for the Maginoo ng San Vicente 2011. Second runner-up goes to candidate number 1, Mr. Mark Cedre Barca.
Nitagan na rin ang adong masamsam.
And now, the second runner-up for the Mutia candidate. Second runner-up is candidate number 6, Miss Quincy Malapi. And at the moment, we are all been waiting for who will be this year's Maginoo at Mutia in San Vicente 2011. Alright, the winners for the San Vicente, Udala Campini at Maginoon ng College 2011.
So, may we request the two gentlemen to please move forward. I will be announcing first the first runner-up. The name that I will not be calling will be definitely the Maginoon ng San Vicente 2011. Okay, inuulit ko po, i-announce ko po ang first runner-up. Yung hindi ko po tatawagin ang pangalan, definitely siya po ang Maginoon ng Apalit or ng San Vicente 2011. And siya po ang magiging representative for the Maginoong Apalit 2011. Maginoon ng San Vicente 2011 first runner-up is candidate number 8, Mr. Rusty Dibla.
Okay, this gentleman will represent.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, our Maginoon ng San Vicente 2011, Mr. Ringo Conanan, candidate number 3.
Congratulations to Mr. Ringo Cunanan. You are this year's Maginoon in San Vicente. Congratulations. Okay, may I request the two leaders to please take the center stage. Okay, una po namin tatawagin ang first runner-up. So, ibig sabihin, ang matitira siya ang magiging botya ni San Vicente 2011. And the first runner-up Mutiani San Vicente 2011, first runner-up is number 7, Nelson Reyes. So it means the Mutya ni San Vicente is Precious Vasquez. Congratulations, first runner-up.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, our Mutya ng San Vicente 2011, Precious Vasquez, candidate number 3.
Congratulations to Precious. Once again, congratulations, Miss Precious Vasquez.
So there you have them, ladies and gentlemen, our reigning queens and king for the Maginoon Mutya ng San Vicente 2011, Mr. Ringo Conanan and Miss Precious Vasquez.
The reigning queen and the reigning master of the Maginoon Mutya ng San Vicente. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, isang masigabong palakpakan sa mga nanalo. That's it for tonight. This has been Adrian Ribay Bautista.
And Mr. Richard Leonard Dumont, your master's of ceremony for the Maginoon Mutya ng San Vicente 2011. Bidding you goodbye. And thank you very much, and God bless us all, and see you next year
For the Maginoon Mutya ng San Vicente